Hi everyone, quick overview of the pre-quiz for this module in Business Data Science 2103. Now first, this is not a high-stakes test. Think of the pre-quiz as a baseline check. It's designed to measure your starting point so that we can identify what you already know and what we need to focus on during the module. Now the key rules here are pretty simple. You get one attempt for each pre-quiz. So you do your best work the very first time. And these are hand graded at the end of semester. I review them to understand your baseline knowledge, compare it to your progress later, and identify class-wide patterns where I may need to add some extra instruction for next year. Now what you can expect here is you'll see a mix of multiple choice and short answer questions. Now the content focuses on the foundational concept that support the module. Basically, they're the building blocks for what you're about to learn. Now how you should approach this is you take your time. It isn't about speed, it's about clarity. You may use your textbook notes and any other course resources while you complete it. If you don't know an answer, that's fine. Use the question as a signal for what you have to pay attention to during the lectures and the reading. Now, after you submit, do a quick self-check. What felt easy? What felt confusing? What terms or concepts do you need to review? And a very important note about the grading. This is a completion-based assignment. Once you complete it, it will periodically adjust earned points. I will periodically adjust earned points to full points at certain intervals during the course. So don't stress about the score you see in your gradebook. Your job is to complete it and use it as a learning tool. My job is to use it as a data analytics tool to compare and see what you guys are actually learning over the course of the semester. So let's go ahead and look at Blackboard. I'm going to show you what this looks like, how to open it, and then you guys can jump in, do the pre-quiz, knock it out, and move on to the module. So let's go ahead to the desktop. We're here inside of our Blackboard course in Module 1. If we scroll down, we have the pre-quiz that you're looking at now, which is the explanation of module pre-quizzes. If we open up the module pre-quiz itself, you're going to see, I'm going to switch this over real quick. And so I'm going to switch to student view so it looks exactly like what you guys see. All right, so we go to our pre-quiz module. It's going to be allowed to open up. You're going to have a start attempt on the right-hand side. You can see it's worth 10 points. This is the grade that you will earn. Once you finish it, it will show you that you earned 2 of 10 or 1 of 10 or whatever the number is. And that 10 points might change depending on what my grading scheme for the semester is going to be. You do have a single attempt. Once you open and close it, that is the attempt. So when we open it, it's just simply multiple choice questions and some fill-in-the-blank type things. It's going to ask you questions over all the material from the module that you're testing in. I'm just answering random things here. There are 10 questions in it. And then we can hit submit. Make sure you do it twice. You can download a copy if you want it for your own records. You can close it out, and then it's going to show you your grade that you earned. Now, because this is a take and earn type of assignment, you've taken it at the end of the semester or through certain intervals of the semester. I will convert that 3 points over to the full earned 10 points. This is not about trying to prove that you don't know anything. This is about measuring what information you came in with and what information you're leaving my course with. So this is how I do analysis over my own coursework. This is not punitive. It's there to help you. And a key fun piece about this, these questions you're seeing in this pre-quiz, you may want to pay special attention to them because they are an example of 10 possible questions that you will see in the module exam and in the final exam. So it's a nice little study tool there for you. Jump in, knock out the pre-quiz early, and let it guide you, and then move through the rest of the module as you need, jumping into the higher effort pieces. Okay, guys, if you need me, let me know. Otherwise, bye, guys.